Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create contact database using Microsoft Access. So basically here I will explain you how to build this database using VBA codes. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now I am going to create new database. Here I open my Access. Then I am going to create a new database. To create a new database, click on the blank database. So once you click on the blank database, so here I am going to name my database as contact list. So this is my database and I want to select location. So I select desktop as my location, database location, then press OK. Now you have to click on the create button. Once you click the create button, now your database is created. Now first of all, I want to create a table for this database. So I'm going to save my database first. Now my database table name is TBL contact. CBL contact. Yes. Now after saving my table, I'm going to design a table. To design my table, I want to select design view. Now I want to keep my ID column as it is. The data type is auto number for ID column by default. Then the second column is first name. Data type is short text. Then the what we call the second field, the second column of my database is last name. Last name. Then phone. Then the final column is email. Yes. Now this is a simple database. So basically here I want to explain how to use VBA codes to create this database. So that's my main purpose. Therefore I don't want to add more columns. These 4 columns are more than enough. Now I am going to save my table. Then here I select under the design tab under the datasheet view. Now this is the table I have created. Right. Now based on this table, I am going to create a form. So click on the create tab. Then here I want to get a blank form. Then I am going to save my form as FRM contact. FRM contact. Right, this is my form. Now I am going to right click on the form and I select design view. Here I want to add a label. Click on the design tab and select label. Now the name of my database is contact database. Then I want to change the font color to red. Font size, just say 22. And also I want to change the font type. Right. Now then I want to add some fields on the text box first. So before that, I'm going to under design view, I'm going to take this one frame. And I'm going to name this ask data inputs, data input. Then use the font color is say black, bold, font size 16. Right. Now I want to add 4 text boxes. Click on the design tab, then take text box and put it here. Now I want to increase the size of my text box like this. I want additional what we call 4 text boxes. Right. Now first text box name is first name. Then the second one is last name. Then the third one phone number. Final one is email address. Right. Yes, this is the basic. These are the text boxes I use to input data. Then just I increased font size. Right. Now go to layout view and you can change text boxes like this. You can arrange your text boxes properly under the what we call right click and go to design view. Now after that I want to add buttons. Okay, so design view, then take button. Then I need 3 buttons. One for add record, another one is to delete record. Okay, this one add the record, this one save, and this one is to delete a record. So these are the 3 text boxes I have to use to create this database, my contact database. Right. Now I want to link my table form to table. Therefore I click this. I'm in the top right hand corner of my form. Then go to property sheet. So there under the data I'm going to select TBL contact as my form record source. Now my form record source is okay. Now I want to give names for my text boxes. So the first text box name is txt first name. The second text box is txt last name. Right. Third text box I'm going to name as txt phone number, and the final text box name is txt email. Right. Now again I want to give specific names for my 3 buttons. For this one, name is btn add. Then this one I'm going to name as btn save. Then the final button is btn delete. Right. Now the basic setup of my form is okay. Now I want to link these text box control source to table. So here under the first text box, it means first name. The control source should be first name of my design table, and the second one for the last name column of my table or TBL contact, and for the phone number phone, and for the address you see, for the email address just get email. Now I bound table columns. Now I bound text box with table columns. Now save the process. Now this is how I design my contact database form. So here I used 4 text boxes and 3 command buttons to operate this database. Now this is the second part of our database. Now I want to do this. I want to send data from this form table using VBA codes. So how to do this? So to do this, you have to access the VBA window. So go to the VBA window. Now click on your form. Then you are in design view. Then click build event. Then select code builder. Now let's see. I want to first of all I want to refresh my contact list. So the contact database I want to refresh. Okay. So how to refresh? So at the very first beginning, I want to refresh my what we call the database. Therefore, I'm going to write my VB code like this: sub refresh contact list forms FRM contact. This is my form name. FRM contact requery. REQUERY. Okay, sub refresh contact list. That is what I am going to do. I want to refresh my contact list. So I add a function or command to refresh the database. Then on the other hand, I want to clear all the inputs to clear what I shall do. Sub clear contact form forms FRM contact txt first name. Right. Now likewise, I want to add the same thing to other text boxes also. So here, this one last name, this is txt phone number, and the final one is email. Right. So after that, I want to add records. To add a record, I want to write a code for my command button, add button. So therefore sub add, click, to CMD, go to AC new. Right. Go to record. So this one is to add record, and this one is to save record. So how to write code to save? How to write code to save button? So this is how you have written: do cmd dot run command AC save record. Then I want to refresh. After save, I want to refresh contact list. So I call that refresh function here. Refresh. And now let's try to do something. Yeah, what happens? Yeah, record move to the table. So now the save button is okay. Now once I click on the add button, what happens? Text boxes 0 becomes 0. Right. Now I added the codes, VBA code for add button and save button. They are working properly. Now I want to add a code to delete button. So what is the code for a delete button? So this is the code for the delete button. If message box, are you want to delete this contact? Close the inverted commas, put the question marks and close the inverted commas. Then VB yes, no, VB plus VB question, confirm, delete, then close the comma, close the brackets, equal VBS. Then what happens? Do cmd dot run command AC cmd delete record. Then again, after deletion, I want to call the refresh contact list. Right. Now let's check the what we call delete button. Now go back to the form and go to the form view. Now I want to delete this record. Yeah, I want to block the statement here and this. Now again, I want to delete this record. So once I click on the delete, what happens? Message box pop-ups. I want to delete this contact. When I press yes, what happens? One record deleted. So my delete button also works properly. Now I wrote VB code for add button, save button and delete button. All are working. So I think things I did up to now clear to you. I think it's clear to you. Now here under the form, again go to the form design event and go to build event, then select code builder. So here what you should do is under the form event, okay, under the form, now I want to refresh my contact list or contact database when form open. Then I want to write something on the form open. I want to call refresh contact list. Under the form load event, I want to create a system content. In clear contact form. Right. Now it's clear. When the form opens, what happens? It refreshes the contact list, and also when the form loads, what happens? It clears the contact form. Now save and go to the database again. Now here I'm going to add a sample data. First name is Franz, last name is Shota, and the phone number is, let's say, the email address is abc@gmail.com. Now I save the record. You see, my record goes to the other table. Then I want to add another record. First name Ajit, the last name is Pereira, phone number is this one. This is the email address. Save button. Now all the records are updated to my table. Sign view, save button, refresh contact list. Alright. So that is how I created my sample database, contact database using VB code. So here, if I want to delete existing record, just select the record and press delete button. Once you press the delete button, message box pop-ups. I want to delete this contact. Then if you want to delete, press yes. Then your record is deleted. I think you learned something. You learn how to create a very simple database using VBA codes, so you can expand your knowledge further. So here I expect to present mini projects that you can do using Microsoft Access plus VBA. So let's meet with another video like this. Then thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one.